Bye. So just in case, because my heart is palpitating. Auntie plus me. Bye. Well, I could get a bag. What's wrong with that?
Yeah, I have a bag.
Can I use this one?
Where do you want to buy it? I don't know. How would I?
Oh, I need a bag. Pauwi na ako. Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome again for another vlog. It's 6:53 in the evening and it's a Tuesday, September 26th. And today, as you can see, a while ago I bought some stuff from Ikea. Ta-da! So in this huge bag, I bought a couple of things. First thing that I got is this snake bra. It's like a thing that you hang on your wall or your cabinet. I'm actually planning to put it on this cabinet of mine, but I will see. And then second would be these organizers. This one, I believe they already come with some of the organizers. Yeah, so it's actually showing up there. And I still have one thing. This is the SCAD disc. Stay hydrated, guys. Hey, so I am done organizing my thing right there. I'm not sure if it's straight. I don't care. I'm done. I'm tired, so I just let it go. I just depends on my instinct. I did my best for making it straight as much as possible.
And during our quiet time, we would send our planes to them with their interval silence.
Done with my second to the last subject for today. Papunta ako ng locker ko ngayon because I'm gonna be leaving my heels. So just in case I would want to wear my heels nandun sa locker ko. But you will see bakit hindi ko gusto yung locker ko ngayon. Hey guys! So, the reason why I do not like this locker is, I don't know if you can see, but it's at the bottom. I requested for a change kasi gusto ko sa taas kasi yung knees ko, it's weak, but they didn't grant it, so I have to live with this for 2 semesters. Lol. So my class for today is done, but I will be doing notes since I have some dues this weekend. I'll try my best, guys. I'm planning to go to building K because it's less noisy in that building. I don't know why. Pero dito ang ingay kasi, guys. A hidden spot. I've been looking for a place where there's not so much noise since I'm easily distracted. I think this is the time I have to stop drinking coffee and matcha at the same time because my heart is palpitating, you guys. I'm just doing my French right now. Of my internship, and I don't know if I'll be doing this scarf or yung pababa na lang. I'm not sure. I'll see. So guys, my sister gave birth earlier this morning around 2 a.m. So we are gonna visit her and baby Zenon.
Baby Z.
Baby Z.
I thought that was fun.
Sinuna. Good. Get off your mask. Take it off. It's okay. Hey guys, so we're shopping for Zenon.
Baby Z.
I will be buying this for him. Auntie plus me.
Ano man ikaw?
And then the ano tawag ito?
Mitten.
I will also getting him this car suit. Tapos ano pa?
Bro, dami mong binili.
Ito, mantel. Ano yun? Yung parang kinakover sa kanya.
Tapos beanie.
Beanie.
And then si Rex.
Sige kay DJ yan.
Here, the big one, this is the one. Really, really, really good map. So how do you create that picture on it? And it can't be a picture. So you want to.
Hey guys, it's Jill here. It's currently 5:38 in the afternoon. I bought this t-shirt a while ago since I was wearing my uniform and I'm not comfortable wearing it for a long period of time. I tucked it in. I'll show you. Oh my god. So, that's how it looks like from afar. So, ngayon, yung ginagawa ko lang is I am finalizing my brochure since in my geography, I have to do a travel brochure, which I don't hate and I don't love, but I have to do it. Anyway, I'll just do this and I'll update you guys once I'm done and if I'll go home.